Hi everyone, my name's Kit. I think that life consists of tiny habits. And I think these tiny habits actually have really big benefits. So I'm actually really curious and I really wanted to know, what are the tiny habits in your life that has given you big benefits? So yeah, please let me know, send me a text, send me a message or comment down below, because I am just really curious, and I guess this is the reason why I'm actually making this video, because I want to learn from you. But let me share with you some of my tiny habits. Most of these tiny habits that I've been doing take less than 1 minute. So why don't you give them a go? The first thing that I do each morning is that I go outside. I get some sunlight, and this is actually a really important habit for me because getting a little bit of sunlight, particularly that gets into your eye, it actually resets your body. So go outside, I force myself to go outside sometimes by taking the recycling out in the morning, and that actually just gets me outdoors, just even for a couple of minutes. The second thing I do is I have vegetables in my breakfast. So I know I don't eat enough vegetables in a day, so I add either maybe spinach or kale in my smoothie, or if I'm having a hot breakfast on the weekend, I will make mushrooms, tomatoes, I have baked beans, I have avocados and baby spinach again, just with my hot breakfast. Each morning, I would also pray for another country. So I use a prayer guide by Open Doors. It has basically just 2 sentences about another country or about someone from another country, and I use it to pray each day. And I think it really helps me because it gets me outside of my immediate situation and outside my own little world, and actually helps lift my eyes into thinking about other people and the world. So I think it's particularly helpful while I'm at home most of the time at the moment. With my emails, if I read an email and I can do something and action it within 2 minutes, then I will do it straight away. That is something that I have also been doing as a tiny habit. The next 3 are all to do with my mobile phone. The first thing is that I turn off all notification on all my apps. So no notification on any of my apps. The next one is I put a timer on my social media apps so you can put a timer on 1 minute or however long you want. And if you use up that time, then you don't get to use that anymore, or you can always extend it. And the third thing is that I use the focus mode on my phone. And so that kind of creates little different modes that you can have, so that, for example, I have a mode that says no social media. So on that particular mode, all the other apps are available except the social media. So yeah, those things are really helpful for me. The last 3 are just kind of my nighttime routine. I plan my outfit the night before, so I have that hanging out. I aim to read 1 page of a book before I go to bed. I don't want to have huge expectations. 1 page is what I aim for each night, just before bedtime. And then I also set an alarm on my watch so that it reminds me to go to bed. If you incorporate any of these tiny habits into your life, let me know. Or love to hear how it goes. I hope you have a good day. Catch you later. Bye.